name of this one?
Suf.
Suf?
Yes.
Okay. Good, Suf.
Yeah, no problem, Suf. Good.
Yes.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes. هذا كمان بس دق وزن. هذيك اللي راح تو اللي كان راكب عليها وزن ثقيل. يس. No problem.
Uh-oh. Oh no. No, no, no. No, no.
Eso.
No, 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 it's okay. Chan.
Change?
Chan.
No.
Okay, the Chan, this one sunset.
Oh, we're walking?
Yes, you're walking.
Oh, we're walking. Oh.
This is walking.
Okay. Whoop. Whoop. Shukran. Smile, everyone. You're on video. Smile. It was a lot shakier on the camel. I don't know. He told me to get off.
He said to stay on.
Hi, babies. Hi, adorable babies. Hi.
Told us to get off. He said to stay on.
Okay. Hi, adorable babies.
Where's the baby?
Right behind you, there are 4 babies.
Oh, so cute.
Hi.
But how come he told you to get off?
I don't know. I was the first one he told to get off.
How about people do?
Yeah. Okay, now we walk like this.
Yes.
Story of my life.
For me, this is kind of like not today.
I got it.
All right.
Oh, we're getting off. Oh, I gotta walk back down.
Now everybody, you gotta walk back.
You're walking back?
Okay, Chan.
No.
Come down?
I get some good shots of you going in the sun.
I'd rather be on camels than the back of that truck.
As long as we look young and skinny, man, that's all that matters. Oh, that is?
Yeah, in the water. Yeah, it's like a pro photographer.
Yeah, the heart.
These were.
Ooh, that's bad.
I have all 4 babies walking toward the camera.
Dang, that's badass.
Whoa.
You know, the challenge is trying to stay still. You know, I think my shutter speed is good enough to where I can take decent ones, but I've just been shooting.
Some of them are not happy.
Dude, these look cuties.
Yeah, those are babies. I rode through the desert on a camel with no name.
Mine had a name.
That was not the most graceful of me getting off it.
Abdul.
Did you drop your Faloose?
Is that Faloose? Your money? Thank you so much.
Abdul. What was the name of my camel? What was the name? Sue?
What's the
name?
Shahel.
No.
Siyuf.
Sue.
Yes.
Okay.
What's her name?
Suf. Good.
Yeah. Thank you, Sue. Thank you, Sue. Thank you. Thank you.
صور انت سيوف؟
It's okay.
انت سيوف